Hello everyone again and welcome to Monday Maths. Let's start by warming up our maths brains with a game. We are going to go to top marks for this game today. Here we go. And it's called Ladybird Spots. So if you want to have a go at this game again after this video, you could ask your grown-ups to search on top marks for Ladybird Spots. First of all, we are going to do some matching. So I'm going to click on matching from numbers 1 to 10. You will see at the top here, we have different numbers, which I'm hoping you know. And underneath, we have some ladybirds with different amounts of spots on their bodies. And I would like you to be able to match the ladybirds to the right numbers. So, first of all, let's have a look at this ladybird at the bottom here. How many spots do you see? 1, 2, that's right. Where is the number 2? This one here, well done. Let's move our ladybird onto the number 2 leaf. Let's have a look at this one. There's a lot of spots on this ladybird. Can you count them by yourself? Now let's have a go all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to find the number 8 leaf. This one, number 8. So I can move my ladybird onto number 8 leaf. Let's have a go at this one now. Can you count them first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's the number 6? There it is. Let's move it on to number 6 leaf. I can see straight away without counting, this one has 1. Now I only have 2 leaves left. That doesn't say number 1, so it must be this one here. And finally, what number's left, boys and girls? Number 5. Let's check we got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We must have got it correct. Shall we check? Well done, we got it right. And you can have a go at practicing more of those games on top marks at the end of this video. You can match them, or you can order the ladybirds in order from smallest to largest, 1 to 10, and you can put them this time in order of their spots, from the smallest in order to the ladybird with the largest amount of spots. Have a go at that later on. Now let's have a look at today's lesson and our main learning for today. Here we go. Today we are going to be learning about describing different heights and lengths. So we're going to be telling each other if something is short or shorter than, if something is tall or taller than. We're going to be saying the words shortest and tallest, and we can use words like more and fewer to help us as well. So let's have a look. Let me show you what I'm talking about today. First of all, I'm going to roll a dice. How many spots do you see on the dice? That's right, we've got 5. I'm going to have a tower made up of 5 bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, a tower of 5 we have here. Now, the teddy bear comes along and he decides he wants to build a tower. Shall we count how many cubes he uses? I built a tower of 5. Let's see what Teddy does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had 5 and Teddy had 7. Is his tower taller or shorter than mine? Teddy's tower is taller than mine because he has more cubes than my tower. Now let's have a look at Fox. Now the fox wants to build a tower. Shall we see how many he builds? 1, 2, 3. He builds a tower with 3 blocks. Is that shorter or taller than my tower in the middle? That's right. Fox's tower is shorter than my tower because he uses fewer blocks. Let's have a little go all together now. Join in with me. Here we have Frog, Panda and Pig, and they all have some cubes and they want to build a tower with their cubes. First of all, boys and girls, can you count how many cubes Frog has? How many cubes does Panda have? And how many cubes does the pig have? So I wonder who will have the tallest tower and who will have the shortest tower. Remember, whoever has more cubes and the most cubes will have the tallest tower, and whoever has the fewest cubes will have the shortest tower. Let's have a look. The frog had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes for his tower. The pig had 3 cubes for his tower. This is what they will look like. And the panda had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle there. So who has the tallest tower? That's right, the frog has the tallest tower because he had the most amount of bricks. And who has the shortest tower? It's the pig because he had fewer cubes than anybody else. And the panda was in the middle of those. Well done, frog with the tallest and pig with the shortest. And panda in the middle of the two. Now you can have a practice of your own at using this key vocabulary that I'd like you to use to describe length and height. I want you to use words such as short and shorter, tall and taller, shortest, tallest, and that's based on if they have more or fewer cubes. If you've got a dice and some cubes at home, you could have a go at this game like me. You could roll the dice and then build a tower to show that number. You can see here I had a 4 on the dice, and so I had to build a tower of 4. And then your grown-up could have a roll of the dice and they could make a tower. And you can tell your grown-up if their tower is shorter or taller than yours. Perhaps it will be the same. And you can keep on practicing until you have lots of towers. Then you could decide to order them. You could put them in order from shortest to tallest like I did here. Here's another activity you could have a go at home. You could build yourself some towers made up of different amounts of cubes. Then you could have a go at putting them in the right order from the shortest tower to the tallest tower. Now, if that's a little bit tricky, we could use some number cards to help us put them into the right order. First of all, I can see I have 1 cube here. So I'm going to put a number 1 beneath my tower. In this tower, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put number 6 beneath this tower, like that. Next, my yellow tower has 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to place a 3 number card beneath that tower. Let's see how many are in my blue tower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my number 4 card. How many's in the next tower? 1, 2. That's right. Let's place a number 2 beneath that one. And finally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my multicoloured tower. 5. Now for me to put these in order from the shortest to the tallest, I am going to put the numbers in order. That will help me to decide. What's our smallest number and our shortest tower? 1. So that one's in the right place. 6 is definitely not next. What's the next number after 1, boys and girls? That's right, number 2. So let's move this one out of the way. And let's put the number 2 tower next with number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. My 5 tower is next. And finally, my tallest tower must be my largest number, which is 6. And now you can see the towers are in order from shortest to tallest. You could have a go at that now at home. I wonder what the tallest tower you can build is. Maybe it's even taller than my 6. And you can use anything at home. You could use some Lego bricks, any building blocks you've got to try and build your towers from shortest all the way up to the tallest. Good luck, everyone.